Hey everyone, thought I'd just make a quick video showing something I've got on my workbench right now. I had to replace the computer I was using to run Mach 3 on. It was an old point of sale terminal that looked like one of those over there on the floor. And I have a couple of them. They have touchscreen monitors, but they're really old hardware and it would end up just locking up every once in a while, so I just don't trust it with any Mach 3 jobs. So I bought a Pentium 4 computer and I decided I wanted to see if I could make this touchscreen work. So on eBay you can buy controllers that come with everything you need to take an LCD panel and use it for, apologies here, it's awkward trying to get a shot of this, use it for a monitor. You can see here's the control board right here with the VGA connector plugged into it. It plugs into this cable right here, which goes down and plugs into the panel. That's the connector that plugs into the board and then goes down there and plugs into the panel. This is the CFL driver board, which drives the 4 inputs for the backlighting for the display. Here's the control panel. It has a touch screen a touch panel controller for the LCD display. You can set the contrast, brightness, color mode, and all those different functions. And here is the touch screen driver, and it's a USB driver board that plugs into the touch screen cable right here. Kind of goes there and all the way in. So you can see I'm just running Mach 3 right now, and I've just got everything set up. You can see this is the display for the monitor here. I can press the button and it'll call up the menu, and you can do normal things you can do on a monitor with their monitors menu with an on-screen display menu. Alright, let me just turn that off. Has the button you can turn the monitor off and turn the monitor on. I have to figure out a place to put that. I probably won't need to really use it that much, so maybe I'll just make a remote on-off switch and tie it into the case. I'm just going to use the case and the power supply. It has a power supply, and I'm just going to use the 12-volt power supply to supply power to it. Right now I'm just using a separate PC power supply I've adapted right here for working on the bench. So now you can see I've installed the drivers. See the touch screen is working. And yeah, it works pretty good. So I'm going to be able to use this now as a touch screen monitor for Mach 3 with a new computer. Like I said, I've got another one over there. I think I'm going to use that one. I'm going to order the same kit and make that one work for a touchscreen monitor as well. I think the kit worked out to $35 on eBay, so it was a pretty good deal. The touchscreen controller, I had bought it separately a long time ago. I think it's about 20 bucks or 15 bucks. It's pretty cheap. So all in all, it was actually pretty good job. I was a little bit worried that it wouldn't work with this panel. It's fairly old, but I guess it's a standard panel. It's a Samsung panel and seems to work just great. So take care guys, I'll catch you on the next video.